Okay, got a question for you. What would you do with $500 million from the federal government? The city of St. Louis wants you to chime in to answering that very question. Earlier today, city leaders held an unofficial town hall to get some input from citizens, and they walked away with quite an earful.
The line to speak was long. Big ideas for a very big budget.
We want to hear your thoughts. How would you prioritize the spending of these dollars? Because at the end of the day, they're your dollars.
Our city bank account is getting $250 million from the American Rescue Plan Act, on top of $250 million already received. There's just one problem.
We don't have a lot of time on this. We roughly, to spend it, we have 4 years and 8 months and 23 days to spend the entire $500 million from today.
City officials are working against the clock, and if they hit areas that have been economically left behind, they've got more flexibility to spend what they call transformational dollars.
I can't pick just one thing off of this list as the priority, but when I say children and youth, it encompasses everything else because our children are impacted.
You need education, you need skills, and you need job training.
If you don't have money that's going to help you with health care, nothing else really matters.
So I know this got to be mental health disorders, and we need to put more money and more attention to that, especially to those in our neighborhoods.
Improving education, crime, addiction, affordable housing. Some people gave the city their plans, while others gave their gripes.
And our community looked like a war zone.
Overall, there is no shortage of need, and at this moment, no shortage of dollars.
I appreciate everything we're doing. I appreciate this money that's been offered to us, but the main thing is make a change to make the city better.
Okay, and get this, all of that money has to be spent by the end of 2026. Otherwise, it actually goes back to the federal government. So if you missed today's meeting, you can still take an online survey. All you have to do is text the word survey to 314-425-5355, and we'll send you a link.